Nakabenta ki khubor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor mentagas ngi ka election MLA arhajar arphulai kalajan ka jingalap election ru kalaya chat ha ka ba man laki kertong na ki parti baper ki wanra patpen i ya ki rukom trekam ki jongki U Kyrtong NPP hanor chilong constituency uba ransom sutanga ula penlong ya ka blood donation camp ha pasture institute chilong lawan yishim benta bat yasnok tilang da bun ki samla na ka youth wing jong ka NPP bat kiwe de ki social organization jong ka nongba halor kani haba ai jingkren uba sutanga u ai mynsiem ki samla banwan shakmat ha ka ban ai snam ngobha namar kani kadei ka kam ka babha kabanyarap ya ki babun balang ha ka shitom shipa kumta ula shim bakani kadei ka lat ban pen kendit ben rieu ya ki samla baka jing ais nam sobha kamut banyarap ya ka jing embryo ka ba kordor namar kani bun ki samla kilawan ban ais nam ngobha ha ka tei ka institute
From the NPYF 17 North Shillong Block Executive Committee organized this program. So now donating blood, it is an act of solidarity, and also it is an effort to save lives. To save lives is much more important than anything else, as per my understanding. And there is written which says, anything which is good, anything which is praiseworthy, continue to do that. And I believe that this is the beginning that the NPYF is doing this noble cause to save lives. And I urge and I request all the members of NPYF to continue this noble act in the days to come. We have learned that this should not, be the end of this program, but this should continue in the days to come. Now, it is my endeavor to always, support you in every good work you are doing. Whether it is women's wing, whether it is youth wing, or whether it is NPP unit. This is my endeavor, and this is, my vision to support you in every good work you are doing. So from my side today, I will also take this opportunity to take part in this noble act, to donate my blood. So once again, I would like to thank each one of you for organizing this program. And this program, I believe, it will take a message not only to NPYF, but also it will take a message, to all the youths of the state. But a program, if 30 donors comes, then we will have 1800. Now 90 MDC, it will come 2700. Now total in a year, we will get almost 5,000 units. Okay, and I wish and I request maybe all the representatives, this message should go to all representatives that they should also, take this effort to organize this kind of a program. Now, I understand that, donating blood, you are not losing anything, because, within 48 hours, you will regain your blood. So today, once again, thank each one of you, and also especially, Dr. Sibutna, the doctor in charge of Pasture Institute, for giving us, this place, and also organizing and helping us in every way. Not forgetting Andres, who is also the secretary of IGNM Blood Donors Organization. And also, I would like to thank, the members of NPYF 17 North Shillong for organizing this program. I understand that, it is a very short time you took this task, but, I want to really thank you for, mobilizing many your people to come and donate their blood today. The president, especially Bakit, and also Abandan, and the representative of NPYF from different units in 17 North Shillong. Thank you once again. I would like also to thank the media, my friends who are present here today. In a very short time, you came, and I believe that you will spread this message so that people will know the importance of donating blood.
First of all, I would like to thank you also for giving your time to come and meet all of us here. Actually, this is a program organized by NPYF 17 North Block Executive Committee, and this is a blood donation camp we are organizing from youth wing of NPP, and I was associated actually with many blood donation organization, and especially last time I was associated with IJIM Blood Donors Organization. So when the last time I came here, I think last month, then I understand that as you've said, this is a noble cause. Okay, and donating blood, it is an act of solidarity, and also it is an effort to save life. Life is precious, and life is blood is life-giving to anyone who need it. Okay, and this is actually not really a part of campaigning, but actually this is a program where as you've said, whether you lose it or you win it, this should continue. Okay, and as you listen today, from Dr. Budna, today you can hear that when it comes to national average of donating blood, now our state it's only 20% out of 50% national average, and I think this noble cause we should encourage to everyone to do this noble job. So this is actually a part of our program, and we will continue.